So outside of just these amazing waterfalls like this, hi everybody, this is Live Topic. I'm here with my baby girl Moa. Her first time camping here in Kawazu in the Izu Peninsula here in Japan. And it's not full-on camping because, yes, granted, this is a bungalow here, as you can see coming over on this side. But it's her first time, and she's not even 2 years old yet, so we're going to take it nice and easy for her first time camper's experience. So for our first order of business, we are going to barbecue. Let's see if we can do that successfully. And this is how we're looking right now. I'm gonna mark some marshmallows on this pretty soon. Camping at its finest. You don't camp with an American and not cook hamburgers or hot dogs at any point. So, okay, so while camping, you know, you have a baby and she can definitely eat hamburger, but she hasn't been in the mood for hamburger lately, so came prepared with some chicken. All right, so let's spread this out across the thing. The easiest thing to do is just get some bring an aluminum foil with you, get some chicken, season it with some salt and pepper mix. Just make sure you don't overdo it. Oh, kiko oi ne. Sono mama de ii ne. And then mix. Oishishou demo. Ii nyoi. Alright, so yep, just making the chicken. She loves these mushrooms. With some chicken. Can't get any better than that for baby Momo. Oh, we got one more piece of chicken I didn't see there. Oh. Then we're gonna put that on the thing.
Ah, kawaii.
Okay, here you go. Wow. Yummy. You like it, Momo? So I decided to put some butter in there afterwards. I didn't film that. But here's some chicken with butter and salt and pepper. Yummy. Yummy. For me, garlic. You're almost always gonna have yakiniku like this. It's really good. Here, Momo. Do you have anything to say, Moa? How's your experience so far? You're gonna be in the video going kushko. So it's time to grill some marshmallows or roast some marshmallows. Japanese people are actually surprised that I use a stick. Like in America, I thought it was, pretty much basic common practice to use just a random stick. You might sterilize it a little bit, then you put on the marshmallow. But yeah, they were suggesting that I use chopsticks instead. And for obvious reasons, you kind of want to use, when you have a fire going, you want to use something a little bit longer than a chopstick. But of course you can use that if you like, but I don't know, I still prefer the stick. And granted, this stick is very short compared to my other sticks that I would probably go for, but it is what it is. And I'm just going to roast this marshmallow for my baby girl, Momo-chan. Because she ate her mom's already, half of it, and now she wants her own. So I'm going to delight her with this marshmallow and see how she likes it. The Japanese way, though, because we don't have graham crackers out here. Moa. Yummy. Yummy. 食べてんだ。もーちゃん取っていいよ。持つよ。There you go. Good job, baby. You take it. Enjoy your s'more. It's a little hard to eat, I know. They get messy. Trust me, you'll learn that very quickly. I'm glad you like it. Roasting, roasting, roasting marshmallows. I could tell that one was getting really hot because that just burnt up really quickly out of nowhere. I'll go start from up here. All right, there we go. It's like a game. All right. So let's see. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna focus there. There you go. That's what's up. This one can go a little bit longer. Let me try. But let's see how it goes. A little bit longer, but that was actually quite good.
あ、来た。
Oh, look at this Momo. Whoa, how it looks. Want to touch? No? Look at it, stars, Momo. Stars. Stars. Yeah. Stars. Mwah. Star, that's right. They're beautiful. Alright, Mom. Let's go put it in the thing. Ready? Put it in. Put it in there.
あ、水曜気をつけてね。はい。
Good job. Hi. Good job, baby. Woohoo!
もう一回やってみる？
Look. Morning time of baby Momo. Momo. Hi, Momo. こっちにおいで。はい。おはよう. Good morning, Momo. Got it done, done. It was a cold night last night. But she was nice and warm in her little tiny sleeping bag, but it was not good for me because I was in a very small, narrow sleeping bag and I was very cold all night long. Let's go get some breakfast, babies. Yeah? What do you say? Okay. So we're gonna go back home. Moa, you want some burgers? You hungry?
Yeah.
Because as a papa, or as a dad, my first duty is feeding your kid. Even though you've been thinking about that hamburger for like the last 20 minutes. I'm gonna attempt to eat this burger with Moa and Mom. Right. Not bad. Cheers. Bacon, egg, tomato, lettuce, onion, and of course meat. Good. Alright, so now we're walking out and about with baby Momo. Something just landed on my arm. We're taking a small little hike. It's a very amateur, easy hike. No real rocky parts or anything so far. A paved path, but there's 7 waterfalls out here in Kawazu. They're not humongous, but it's beautiful as you can see over here. Take a look. We're falling along the river to go see the other waterfalls. I've been wanting to come out here with her for a while to camping. It's been one of my dreams with my baby girl to go camping. I can't wait till she gets a little bit older and we can go real camping. It's gonna be great. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this. Woohoo. Look at that. Wow. Looks so clear and beautiful. Look at that water. Okay, so I'm at a wishing rock right now, and you're gonna need to pay 100 yen to get 3 rocks from here. And so you're gonna put in the rocks. I'm gonna choose these 3. They give me good feelings. So you take these 3 rocks, and your goal is to hit it on top of that rock and get it to stay there. If you do it 1 of the 3 times, your wish will come true. If you say with a full pure heart, and you gotta clap 3 times to show respect to the rock. And of course, the goal is so you have to come back here at least once to pay respects again for it to truly come true. So it's like a loan, and you have to pay it back later, kind of thing. All right. So. Naze? あ、ちょっと。もう払ってないね。どうぞ、どうぞ。Well, I failed 6 times to get it to land successfully. I got it to land on the 1 bit, but it wasn't in the ring, so I didn't decide not to clap because I felt like I didn't deserve it, so I wasn't able to make my wish. Oh well. Ironically, this kind of reminds me of like one of those arcade games that you keep putting in the money to see if you can get the stuffed animal,
I just got the exact same feeling. Like, I feel like I can do this. Let me try one more time. Before I know it, I spend sen trying to get rocks on a rock. And I figure that's not worth it. So I'm not going to do it. Well, this is one of the first waterfalls of the day, and we're gonna go and see some others. There's 7 in total. I'm probably not gonna hit all 7, but it was quite beautiful. Now it's time to catch up back with baby Moa and the rest of the family while she's drinking some tea. Drink, drink, drink. Good girl. She's a big girl now. Good job, Momo. Baby. Go, Momo. Yay. Who's having a good time, baby? Oh, whoa. Don't be touching that, Momo. What are you saying, baby? We're on our way to the next waterfall. Mo's having a great time. Oh, here we are coming up to it. That's where we're going. I saw some people jumping into the well, I didn't see them jump in. I saw some wet people, and some boogie boards. So you can go into this water, as it seems like, but where, I'm not sure. This doesn't look like it's very accessible. So excited. Mo, do you want to get a stamp? In Japan, they always do stamps for saying, I've been here, I've done that, kind of thing. Granted, you're supposed to have a piece of paper with you, and they usually probably have it out at the beginning, but we didn't grab it, so we're just going to continue on. Up we go. The suspended bridge up there as well. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at that. That's where we're going. It's quite steep. I might have to shut off the camera and carry my baby girl up there because I don't want my wife suffering. Well, we finally made it to the top, and of course, you have to compete for space, so let me see if I can try to get in here, maybe through this way. You can kind of see the rainbow. Momo, rainbow! So outside of just these amazing waterfalls, you also got to remember there is these formations here, and they stream all the way down this path where the water flows, and it continues on and on and on and on and on. That is actually where the magma was flowing, and you can see the streaks coming down over here, and it comes down and it would flow into this area. It's another interesting take on what nature is doing. And some of the things that they also were showing was like the big rocks where you throw and stuff like that. It's a giant rock in the water. That rock has been withstanding that kind of pressure for up to hundreds, maybe even thousands of years. Who knows how long exactly? But it's really interesting to see the magma flows, the giant rocks, and everything just flowing like the way it is. Look how clear that water is. She wants to do the rocks now. Good job, Momo. Double whammy. It's going to be very cold in here, but you can't pass up on the time in the river. I got a little bit of blubber on me, so I shouldn't be too bad.
Mike, she's asking 大丈夫?
大丈夫, my baby. そっちは大丈夫. My baby girl was worried about me. It's okay. Come give daddy a hug. Come you. You. Oh, you want to go down there again? Oh, you want the flowers. Mwah. Okay, Momo. This is what Mo really wants to do on vacation. Eat ice cream. Yummy! Is that all we do? Just eat, eat, eat. Yeah, that's basically it. There you go, Mom. Mo, which one do you like more? Daddy ice cream, Mommy ice cream? Yeah, probably Daddy's ice cream. Alright, let's test it out. Can you put it out in front and see what she goes after? Yep. Daddy's ice cream. Oh, she bit the cone. That was a proper bite there, yeah? Yeah. Good job, Momo. Yummy. So still looking at some waterfalls the next day, and here is one of the deities that we were basically throwing rocks to the other day. Let's see if we can see it from now. This is Holte. It's a deity of good fortune. As you see, this is the guy where you throw rocks at, and if it lands, you pray and you get your wish come true, basically. Good fortune. It's part of the 7 gods of fortune in Japanese mythology. So now we're going to go check out some just basic water. It looks like everyone else is getting shots around here. Very busy place. But let's see. Oh, that's quite beautiful. Look at that. So let me go down here. Look at this. The water, I was in it earlier today, and it was pretty cold. Where it was actually so cold that my legs hurt. But I got used to it quite quickly, and after that it was fine. But I love going on little hikes and things like that and exploring and seeing what's around. I feel kind of bad because I like to do this kind of stuff and not everyone who's with me likes to. So I might take a little bit extra time than they do. Oh, look at that. Let's take a look at this. Look at that water. Whoa, man. I would love to get in that. And just slide down. If I knew it was not going to hurt, I would just go boom, 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 boom. And that's like where you get your swim trunks wiped off your butt, like when you're at the water park on the slides. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay, so if you're in the mountains and you're eating lunch, you might as well go for something local. They do have river fish and things like that, but today I'm going for Inoshi soba, which is basically wild pig in noodles. I'm actually quite looking forward to this. I've been wanting it for about 2 days now, so let's see how it goes. The proper way to eat noodle, obviously a spoon and some juice, put it in there. Pretty sure this is part of the pig. It's a hot baby Momo.
It's definitely very, I always say hearty. It tastes pure. It doesn't like taste too gamey. It doesn't taste too fatty. It tastes like a nice lean meat. But yeah, healthy nonetheless. And the next thing I want to try is this. Oh. Wasabi frankenfish. So it's going to be like a spicy sausage of some kind. So let me try it. Basically sausage with wasabi. Tastes good though. Moa's over here eating her udon. That's her favorite. Moa, how you like the udon?
Yummy.
This is how she eats with her hands. Sometimes she does with a spoon and stuff like that, but I guess udon's gonna be a little hard with a spoon, right? So, good job, baby. Nah. But I'm gonna get back to this food. Talk to you guys later.
Alright everybody, so as I'm going back, this is my last day here. Just appreciating the last few moments here at the falls. But now I have to go back to Tokyo, so if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share the video because it really does help me out a lot. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. I know Mo enjoyed her first camping trip, and I will see you all next time.